Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Guys, I brought something here for we all to fix it together. Look at what we got here. So let's fix it together. Let's fix it together. It's so heavy and thick. So heavy and thick. Look at it. Came with extra bag. With this bag, you can hang it like this. You can also hold it like this, just to go out in case if you want to use it outside. You can just carry it like that. You can just hold it to this handle. So let's fix it together. So it's so big. Have my Mannequin head stand. See it? And this color is so beautiful. Not that sharp. I like the color. It's beautiful. That's why I choose it. I like this color. Oh, it's so big. And from the one I have before has spoiled. So guys, let's fix together, okay? Join me aside, install it or fix it. Okay. So guys, this is how it is on the ground. Guys, it's so thick. So want to open it. Open it wide. So as wide as you want it. Just open it. You can open it as wide as you want. And this is the screw to open and lock. This one now, I open it to this extent. I don't want to open it more than this. For the now, so secure. Look at it, the way it's standing firm on the ground. See it? Open it. So stand it. See the way it's balanced, standing firm on the ground. Stand firm, it's balanced. See? Because this one is very thick. The legs are thick. Right? They open.
Reflections run deep. Secrets of a life where multitasking doesn't sleep. KATHRYN'S of grace, advice so keen. Building a lifestyle.
See the length? It's even longer than this length. I'm just showing you guys. See the length? This one is the upper one. This is the upper one. You don't want it to fall off. This is the key. Put this key here. Okay. Balance. Take it off. Take it off. It's good. So hold it firm. See how firm it is. Strong. It's very, very strong and balanced. See it. You can take it up and down, depend on the length that you want. See it here. If you want it short, you can take it down and hold it all. You use this. There's hole that's normally inside here. Use this one to hold it or tighten it. If you can't find the hole, tighten it. Okay. You want it to be as the length that you want. Like this one, I'll just break it down. You can also bring it down through here too. Maybe you want to sit down when walking. You want to sit down on the chair. If you are walking with it, you want to sit down to do your walk. You can bring it down to the leg you want. Yeah. Bring it down to the leg you want. This one is the knots for the neck. For the mannequin neck, this is the knot. Okay. This is the control to this one. This one is the control to the neck. See, you're losing it now. It can turn to any direction you want it. That is for depends on the type of mannequin head you want to use. If it's the canvas one or the other side, you can use it. So if it's the standing one, like now, I'm putting it to this position to fix the mannequin head. Weird. Want to bring it down more than this. Okay. So this length. So if you want to do your hair, you want to do your walk. You can do your walk. You can stand, you can sit.
Balancing it all like a piece of fine art. A wife and mother with a radiant glow. Kathryn Thomas corner, watch her soul flow. Snip, snip, she styles with flair. Curls of love spinning through the air. Motherhood, wisdom, life she shares. Kathryn Thomas corner is beyond compare.
Here is the key to hold it. See, this one is the protection to this hole here. You just put it inside that hole. It's firm. Don't fall off anymore. Then you do your work. Thanks for watching. Thank you. See the length. It's very long. Very long. See the length. Very long.